In order to recover deleted files on OPPO Reno 15, the first thing that you can do is you can go to My Files app, which is of course the OPPO's file manager. Now in here at the bottom in the files category, you can find recently deleted, and if you want to recover something, you can for example press and hold your finger in order to select that file. And then at the bottom we have the recover option, so you can tap over here and then confirm that you want to recover all selected files. Of course you can select multiple files at once. If you deleted photos or videos in the Photos app, then you can go to albums in here, and if you scroll down then you can find recently deleted as well. You can open any of these photos or videos and you can use the restore button here at the bottom of the screen. It is this circle with an arrow, and just like before you can also press and hold your finger in order to select multiple files at once, and you can restore all of them at the bottom again. And also you can use the Files app by Google. In here you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and you can find trash. In here you can, just like before, select files that you want to restore, and we have the restore button at the bottom of the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.